Hello, good afternoon, good day depending on the time zone. Okay, today I want to teach you 4 practical steps to help you eradicate debt in your life. You know, we live in a country whereby we aim little, and most times some will end up owing higher than their income. So I want to show you 4 practical steps you can use to eradicate debt. The first on my list is list all your debts clearly. Under this section, you have to list the people you are owing, how much you are owing them, and the due dates. Accordingly, then if there is any interest rate attached to the debt, you will list them. This will help you to have a picture of what you want to clear off. Now, the second one is arrange your debts by their priority. Now, in this aspect, you have to arrange them according to, you know the people you are owing actually, and you know those that can be able to exercise patience for you, and those who will not be able to exercise the patience. Now, you arrange them accordingly, and if possible, the due dates very important, so that you not end up doing borrow Paul to pay Peter. So you arrange them according to their what? To their priority. Now the third one is cut unnecessary expenses. Now you will discover that one thing that is inevitable in life is expenses. Yes, you cannot run away from expenses. So what you are going to do is that you are going to cut off unnecessary ones. The ones you know that you can deal without them. Like buying of shoes, buying of new shoes, buying of new handbags, all of those things. They can wait. So keep them aside and focus on those debts. When you are able to clear them off, you can now go into buying those wants. In economics, we call them needs and wants. You can just deal away with those ones for the meantime, then later you will continue with them. Then the fourth one, which is find temporal extra source of income. Now, you will discover that when you keep on doing a particular thing, you will keep on getting the particular result. But when you do something extra or something extraordinary, you will get an extraordinary result. Now, you have discovered that your income all this while was not able to clear those debts. That is to say, you have to find another extra source of income. It will help you to clear that debt earlier enough. And I will tell you this, you see, finding extra source of income will help you even when you are done paying off the debts. It will help you to have a savings for yourself. I'll also, in my next video, I will teach you how to make savings and achieve your targets. Thank you.